Everyone has a different attraction toward folding phones. Folding phones are the different kind of romance, but these phones are also quite expensive. There are already many folding phones in the market. The most notable folding phones are Huawei Mate X S2, Huawei P50 Pocket, Oppo Find N, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5G, Honor Magic V, Vivo X Fold, etc. The folding phone technology is quite amazing as the folding method allows a small device to be enlarged, which is very interesting and versatile. One more folding phone is coming to the market and it is Honor Magic VS. Their aim is to bring a slightly thinner thickness folding phone to the market than the existing folding phones in the current market. Honor has already announced the release of Honor Magic VS on November 23, 22 and it will go on sale from November 30. The internal display of this unit going to be 7.9 inch. This display will be foldable with refresh rate of 90 Hz and brightness of 800 nits. As well as entering this display resolution will be 2022-72 by 9084 pixel. The external display is going to be big enough with size of 6.4 inch OLED and refresh rate will be 120 Hz and the resolution of the external display will be 2560 by 180 pixel. The other unique thing they have done in this unit is that they have packed a 5000 mAh battery which will ensure long-time battery backup, and as you can say it has a kind of like aqua tealish color with matte finish. Camera unit in this section has a huge external display. It's just more convenient to interact with external display. So it's been great to see these things get a significant large 5.4 megapixel IMX 800 f1.9. You also have a 15 megapixel ultra-wide f2 and 8 megapixel 3x optical zoom at f24. It will do video up to UHD 3840. So there is a big internal display with this front-facing camera. The device will have a pretty strong spring popping thing open. There will be satisfactory magnetic. There will be glass warp around this side. There will be USB Type-C port. At the bottom of this other side, the speakers and SIM tray. The fingerprint scanner is clearly located inside the power switch. At the top of the device will be volume rocker. There's one more speaker on the top because we are definitely going to get a stereo sound. Front-facing camera on the exterior display is the center, so it's to be symmetrical. The outer display will be quite impressive. You can choose alternate resolution for the battery life shaping on the internal display and get fast refresh facilities on both displays packed for gaming. The display is completely bezel-less. There will be a back cover. There is also a 66 watt fast charging unit. The device will also be available in orange, gold and black. They are calling the hinge super light and gearless. Looking like a brick, the smartphone looks pretty much like a normal smartphone because it is a foldable phone, but it is quite light in weight. The reason for saying light is that it has a display size in around 8 inch, but it's actually very lightweight on this device. Among some other features, its front-facing camera is 16 megapixel and its CPU is Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. You are going to get 3 versions of Honor Magic VS and it features 8 gigs of RAM 256 storage or 12 gigs of RAM 256 or 512 gigs of storage. Now other thing is that Honor is really proud of here is the hinge which enabled this design. So they are calling it a groundbreaking super light gearless hinge with single piece of casting processing technology. You have far fewer components compared to other hinge system and that exist on foldable from other brands. So it measures just 12.9 mm when it's foldable and 261 grams in weight, while featuring in the largest battery in same class of foldable smartphones. Put it right on the hinge. There's listen to how tight that. Yes, I don't doubt what they're saying. It's pretty impressive engineering certainly. 4100 volts, which is equivalent to more than 10 years of use with 100 volts per day, and with this amazing exterior display in this case, you might actually spend a lot of time out here anywhere because it's the one of the nicer displays that the exterior of a foldable up the brightness. They look at the put right there. Okay. This is the all information I have about this device at this point, so I can't share any real experience about the phone software and camera until the phone is launched. This is the new Honor Magic VS and you can let me know down below how you think compared to same of the other options. Hopefully I will be able to dive a little deeper into test out this camera and such as the late date once the software has been updated. So I am going to finish today and very soon I am coming with a new video. Till then, take care. Tata.